This video will demonstrate how to pair two blinds on the same remote control. It is possible to add multiple blinds to the same channel, however we recommend blinds are set to individual channels as it gives the customer greater flexibility over light control. Remove all packaging and install the blinds into the window. Follow the instructions to pair and set upper and lower limits on the first blind on channel 1. Once it is complete, press and hold the setting button on the motor mount until the motor jogs twice, then jogs 3 times. Press the down button. The motor will now not respond to the remote. Please note this process only disables the remote control and does not affect the limits that have been set. Now pair and set the limits on the second blind and repeat the process as required. This needs to be on channel 1. When all blinds have upper and lower limits set, pair each blind to the desired channel. Once you have completed the setup of all blinds, ensure that they are all unpaired and then repair them all to channel 1 in quick succession. If one doesn't move, repair by pressing and holding the blind until it jogs twice.